Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a high-quality photo. Open it and immediately duplicate the background layer so you never overwrite the original. Next, select the Quick Selection or Lasso tool and make a rough pass around the subject to isolate it. Use 100% zoom to catch edges. You want a clean outline before refining. Once done, convert the selection into a layer mask. This creates a non-destructive separation between subject and background and lets you tweak without loss. Now you refine the mask. Enter Select and Mask, increase radius where hair or soft edges appear, and use the brush to add or remove fringe. This improves realism. Apply a slight feather of 0.5 to 3 pixels to avoid crunchy edges, then output to a layer mask. Place your replacement background underneath and transform it to match perspective and crop. Make sure to match color and exposure so the subject blends. Add a subtle shadow layer if the subject needs ground contact for believability. Finish by color grading. Use curves, color balance, and a subtle photo filter to harmonize tones between subject and new background. Add final touch-ups like global sharpening or selective dodge and burn. Save both a flattened export for sharing and a layered PSD/XCF to preserve masks. If you see halos or mismatched lighting, zoom in and paint the mask with a soft 13px brush or use to fringe. This fixes edge artifacts. If colors still conflict, sample background tones and apply a low-opacity color layer to unify them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.